Alright guys, how's it going? So today is going to just be a pretty boring video. Just going to clean out the car and the truck just because the weather hasn't been too good, and what I was deciding on doing this weekend didn't go the way I planned on doing it. So I'm just going to save it for next weekend and just try to get a video up for you guys. And I also do need to clean the Miata up. You guys will see inside the trunk, it's pretty bad. So yeah, but also I don't have my tripod or my mic or anything, so it's just gonna be raw iPhone footage. So enjoy the video, guys. Hope you guys like it. So I'm here in the garage with my boy Fetty, and yeah, the first thing I want to do is, if you guys see my last video, I said I was gonna get some washers, and I got them. So I'm gonna try to install them. I also got my light here. Hopefully I can use it to help me get better, clearer images for you guys, because I don't have my light. All right, so found this screw. Perfect size for what we need. Grab 2 of these. Phillips number 2 and Phillips number 3. Put that in there. So, in case you didn't already know what it looked like, this was in there like that, and you could see a little bit of the white showing. And then I'm gonna cover this hole as well. This side up here is beautiful, nothing showing. Just down here, those 2 spots need some help. So just gonna go throw that on real quick and show you what it looks like. All right guys, so this is what it looks like here. Much better than white holes, but not much. Not by that much, honestly. So eventually at some point I'm just gonna get new door cards or do it myself or figure something out for those. But yeah, I'm gonna have to do something because it's just temporary, okay? We'll leave it at that. Just a temporary look. Could be worse. It's definitely better than looking at those ugly white spots. Yeah, camera definitely sucks when you don't have proper ways of recording the footage, but whatever. Just a quick video. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up this trunk, and I'm just gonna take all the junk out of my trunk. Literally, got a lot of crap in here. Pop it open. Yeah, if you could tell, this oil jug completely spilled on me, so it can come out. I don't want that in there anymore. Pretty much empty anyways. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up all this other junk that's in my trunk. All right, so I don't know if you can tell this already, but a lot of it's already cleaned out. Just a bunch of garbage. Take this out. I'm gonna see if I can pull some of these wires back. I believe I can. I'm gonna check that out right now. Let me double check in here. Just in a couple nuts and bolts and stuff, whatever. I'll get those out in a second. All right guys, so I think I decided just to take the carpet out. I also got that wire all out, all of it completely out. But I don't see a real reason why to keep a oily carpet in here anyways. I feel like it could just cause more problems than anything, because it'll just catch fire and sparks and stuff in the battery. It just seems like a bad idea to keep that, which is all oil filled now too. I gotta get rid of it. Oh, it's pretty much done. So I'm just gonna get some gloves on and take that crap out, because that is disgusting feeling on my hands. It just feels gross. So I'm gonna put some gloves on and then take all the I guess that would be yeah, that would be sound deadening. So I'm gonna take all the sound deadening out and hopefully fix all the problems. Well, no problems, just hopefully I fix that. Alright guys, so got everything out. Just got to vacuum it now. Cleaned it up as best as I could. It is oil, so it's gonna have a little bit of a leftover feeling. But I might go over it later after I vacuum out all this glass from the broken bulbs. So yeah, I'm just gonna vacuum this thing out real quick and I'll show you what the outcome is. Alright guys, so it's all vacuumed up. Everything's out of it, and this is pretty much how I'm gonna leave the trunk. So it's a little dusty, my vacuum had stuff in it. But yeah, got the plug back in there. And now I'm gonna move on to inside and clean up the inside. Alright, so this is my driver's seat. So I'm gonna try to clean this all up. Masks, of course, because Canada is still regulated. Just some garbage all up in here that I want to just clean up, get rid of, vacuum up, make it nice and clean. Alright guys, look at how much better that is already. Just from a quick cleaning or vacuuming. That side was bad too. Even back here is good. Just needs always just a quick, simple vacuum. That's all you need. Alright guys, so since today's pretty much a write-off, pretty much it for the day. Just gonna put everything away and just chill out. It's a Sunday and nothing else to do. Everything's still locked down here, so yeah, I might go see my buddy. I might go see Cody, we'll see. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe and catch you guys next time.